Good morning, everyone. Wednesday, January 14th. Got a new critter today on the critter cam. Got a bunny rabbit. Look at that. There was a squirrel that was popping in, but I haven't seen a rabbit there in the morning. So let's see. Nothing today. Yesterday pretty strong. 207, but yet I only have 9 orders going out for $123. And I haven't pulled my airplanes yet, so let me go do that. Well, hell, the airplane cards were more than half my orders. Sold this a minigun. That'd be probably fun to shoot. Looks like I got some international orders. Movie photo. Uh-oh. Out of sleeves. So the thumbnail, it doesn't mean anything. I asked, I don't want to open it that way. I asked ChatGPT. I had no ideas this morning, and I just said, just come up with a thumbnail. You have free artistic license to do whatever. And it came up with that, and it came up with the quitting or killing it. I have no intention to quit at this time. And, but I mean, it made me think. I was like, quitting? No, because I have to always be doing something. I couldn't just sit and do nothing. Ugh, that would suck. I mean, eventually it's going to have to come down to how long am I going to keep on doing this? Postcard boxes aren't heavy, 10 pounds, but God, if I can't lift 10 pounds, yeah, that's a bridge abutment in 80 miles an hour time right there. But so I'm hoping 10, 15 years, 20 years. Let me see. But I don't know if I want to be into my 70s and 80s. What are you talking about? Like I said, I have to always be doing something. So I don't even know why I'm talking, because I will probably be found, passed on with postcards in my hand. So another international sale. This one I sold a couple of recently. This CCCP, so an old Russian Tupolev airplane. And then killing it? No, I don't think I'm really killing it at all. So yeah, I don't know what the hell it was thinking. I mean, great graphics. AF 28. Let me see. Oh, I can check in on the auctions here. I'm going to pull this card first. And I guess, at the end, I guess we can check the auctions. Had a nice little bump up yesterday, but nothing since that bump up. Come on, where's this shithole at? Come on, where are you? There it is. Didn't do any listing. Didn't get to any listing yesterday. The Whatnot show went fairly well for a Tuesday night. And I'll be back at that Saturday. The following Saturday, the 24th, that may not happen. Leaning toward it not happening. And let me see, I got one more airplane card. There's that one. That one. Ooh, looks like an old one. Let's fingers crossed. Let's hope that's there. Oh, that's way up there. So yesterday I did 4 videos, 2 of which have been published. I did a normal morning one. I did a bolo sold type of video for the members. Did the second road trip and postcard picking video. That'll be coming out. Today's Wednesday, Thursday or Friday. I'll put that out to the members. And then I did another video for, like, the haul video for the road trip and postcard picking to those 2 antique malls. Go into a much deeper dive on, I think it was like a half hour, 35-minute, to talk about the postcards I bought. So it was like, I did like 85 minutes of content yesterday. And then I talked for an hour and 50 minutes on whatnot. I was a little talked out yesterday. And so the haul video will be released to members the same day as the road tripping one. And then the following week, everybody gets that second road tripping, and everybody's going to get this Thursday, Friday road tripping. What am I looking at? Yankton. If anybody watch Deadwood on HBO? That was a pretty good show. They did a movie. Did I watch that? I can't remember. They just like stopped production on Deadwood. I liked it, and then they just like quit without ending anything. Let me see. I bought these at the 2022 York show for 80 cents each. We're going to do a refresh here. I don't think anything's come in. Oh, some other stuff did come in. Yay! Okay, R89. And then I have to get up and get another postcard. BL. No, that's the wrong one. R89. These also may have been from 2022 York. And I listed them last year. So yeah, it took me over 2 years to get these cards listed. I just had a crow and a squirrel out there. They're usually one. It's usually one or the other, not both. They usually take off or skitter away. Oh, almost passed it up. That one. R89. That back. Okay, let me go get that other card. And that one. I only have those 2 boxes from Whatnot last night. But pretty good night for a Tuesday. And only going through 2 boxes. Okay, one more refresh. Let's see if you got anything else coming in. Nope. Okay, let's look at the auctions real quick. Okay, we're still rolling. Come on, eBay. There we go. Oh, we're up to $9.27 today. Where's my auction? So 500 auctions. I have 10 with reserves met for $400. Salton Sea. I think I've talked about that before. Some Orange Empire Charlie Trip. Some Scenic Greetings. And several hand hand? Doesn't sound right. Hand drawn, painted. Uh, 4 different ones for $80 start price, and then a Baldwinsville, New York cards. So historically, I get 10% bid rate on auctions. So plus minus around 50 cards, and out of those 50 cards, maybe 5 or 6, and another 10% will have multiple bids. There'll be a couple that the bidder will be, bumping up their own bid. Obviously, it doesn't move. They're just protecting their bid from another bidder. So I may have, another 5 or 6 of those, but actual 2 different bidders head to head, 5 to 6. So we'll see if that holds true. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I have nothing else. I thank you all for watching. Hope your sales are great. If you have questions, you can leave them below. I'll do my best to address them. If you have some comment, like you're digging on me or something, not like digging, but you want to give me shit or whatever, you might have to spell it out, because I'm not that bright. If you're trying to take a dig at me, vaguely, just come out and say it. I'm a big boy. So that's about it. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.